Hello children, how are you? Yes, I hope you are fine. Last day we discussed the chapter Alice and the White Rabbit. It's adapted from Alice's Adventures in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. It is written by Lewis Carroll. Today we are going to discuss some exercises related to that chapter. First we are going to discuss phonics junction. Yes, look at the screen. Read these sentences from the story. First sentence, wasn't that a funny thing? Second one, it was wearing a brown coat with the letters of the English alphabet on it. Third one, the dust made her cough, but she wasn't a bit hurt. Yes, look at the words in yellow. Funny, funny, alphabet, cough. Okay, listen. Funny, alphabet, cough. Yes, in the words funny, alphabet and cough, the letters F, PH and GH make the same sound as F. Funny, alphabet and cough. Yes. Look at this sentence. So she jumped right up and ran after the rabbit again. Next one, the poor thing was very frightened of her rage. Next one, and so the white rabbit ran, dodging the low branches along the way. Okay, look at these words in blue. Jumped, rage, dodging. Jumped, rage, dodging. Yes, in the words jumped, rage and dodging, the letters J, then G and DG make the same sound as J. In the words jumped, rage and dodging, the letters J, G and DG make the same sound as J. Yes. Okay. Now we are going to do a small activity. Read these words aloud. Circle the words that have the F sound and underline the words that have the J sound. Yes, here you have to circle the words that have the F sound and underline the words that have the J sound. Yes, the words are wolf, edge, graph, telephone, danger, object, laugh, magic. Yes, here you have to circle the words that have the F sound and underline the words that have the J sound. Okay, now let's check the answers. First one, wolf. Here this word has the F sound. Next one, graph. This word has the F sound. Okay, telephone, F sound. Yes, laugh, F sound. Okay, edge. This word has the J sound, edge. Okay, next one, danger, J sound. Okay, next one, object, J sound, object. Okay, next one, magic. Yes, J sound. Now we are going to discuss grammar junction. Yes. But before we go into this session, let me ask you one question. Can anyone say the definition of conjunctions? Yes. Here you can see a picture. Look at this picture. Here you will get some examples of conjunctions. But, for, so, yet, nor, or, and. Yes. Can you say the definition of conjunctions? Yes. Conjunctions are joining words are used to join words or sentences. Conjunctions or joining words are used to join words or sentences. You already learned this topic in your previous class. Okay. Look at this sentences. She ran and ran till she tumbled right down a rabbit hole. She ran and ran till she tumbled right down a rabbit hole. Here the word in bold is called a conjunction. Yes, this is an example, till. The word till is an example of a conjunction. Yes, conjunctions are joining words are used to join words or sentences. Okay, examples. I like dancing and painting. Here and is an example of a conjunction. I like dancing and painting. We reached the bus stop on time, but the bus had already left. Here the word but is an example of a conjunction. Yes. Now let's look at some more conjunctions. First one, when, and its usage used to show the time of action. It is the conjunction when is used to show the time of action. It is used to show the time of action. Okay, let's take one example. It was midnight when I reached home. Here the conjunction when is used to show the time of action. Okay, next one, while. It is used to show two or more actions happening at the same time. It is used to show two or more actions happening at the same time. Example, while mother was cooking, I cleaned up the room. Yes, while mother was cooking, I cleaned up the room. Here the conjunction while is used to show two or more actions. While mother was cooking, that is the first activity, I cleaned up the room. So, the conjunction while is used to show two or more actions happening at the same time. Okay, next one, before. Used to show time. It is used to show time. That means earlier than. Okay, example, you must brush your teeth before you go to bed. It's a good habit. You must brush your teeth before you go to bed. Okay, here the conjunction is used to show time. That means earlier than. Okay, next one, after. It is used to show time. That means later than. Yes, it is used to show time. That means later than. Here the conjunction before is used to show time. That means earlier than. Okay, example, after they won the match, the team had a party. After they won the match, the team had a party. Yes, till. Next one, till. Usage. It is used to talk about a situation that will continue up to a certain moment. It is used to talk about a situation that will continue up to a certain moment. For example, stay indoors till the rain stops. Stay indoors till the rain stops. Here the conjunction till is used to talk about a situation that will continue up to a certain moment. Yes. Okay. Now let's do a small activity. The question is, replace the incorrectly used conjunctions with the correct ones. Here you have to replace the incorrectly used conjunctions with the correct ones. First one, I watched TV, so I finished my homework. Here the conjunction so is used. What will be the correct one? Correct answer? Yes, after. I watched TV after I finished my homework. Next one, you must always wash your hands while having food. Yes, you must always wash your hands before having foods. Okay, next one, Govind saw an injured puppy or he was walking in the park. Yes, what will be the correct one, correct answer? Yes, Govind saw an injured puppy while he was walking in the park. Okay, next one, and you finish drinking the milk, you can eat the pizza. Yes, the answer is after you finish drinking the milk, you can eat the pizza. Yes, next one, because I grow up, I would like to be a pilot. Okay, the correct one is when I grow up, I would like to be a pilot. Yes, okay, now we are going to discuss the writing junction, the last topic. Yes, in the previous lessons, we learned about concept maps and word webs. Do you remember that? Yes, in our previous classes, we learned about concept maps and word webs. In this chapter, let us expand our ideas by writing about our favorite fictional character using a word web. Okay, do you know the meaning of the term fictional character? Yes, let's check the meaning. Yes, fictional character means an imaginary person represented in a work of fiction. That means a play or film or story. It is an imaginary person represented in a work of action, play or film or story. Yes, can you identify these pictures? Yes, can you identify this character, this fictional character? Yes, this is a picture of Mowgli. This is a picture of fictional character Mowgli. Okay. Yes, this is Harry Potter. Then this is a picture of beautiful, gorgeous Cinderella. Yes. Okay. Here you have to write about your favorite fictional character. Yes, here is the word web and paragraph on the fictional character Alice. Yes, we are going to study to write about a paragraph about a fictional character. Yes, first one, the main topic, the main central topic is Alice. Then other ideas related to the main central topic is family, personality, physical appearance. Then other ideas, dreamy, curious. Then family, sister, parents. Next one, white brown eyes, brown hair. Okay, now let's read the paragraph, passage about Alice. Yes, my favorite fictional character is Alice. She lives in a farm with her sister and parents. Alice is a curious girl who is always daydreaming. She has white brown eyes and brown hair. One day, while sleeping under a tree, she dreams of seeing a strange rabbit. The curious Alice runs after the rabbit and falls down a rabbit hole. She lands in a magical land full of fantastic creatures and has tons of adventures. Yes, here you saw a word verb about Alice, and this is a paragraph made by using that word verb. Okay. Yes, and this is your homework. Complete the passage using the correct conjunction. Page number 150. This is the question. Complete the following passage using the correct conjunctions. Yes, today we discussed some exercises related to the chapter Alice and the White Rabbit. Yes, I hope today's class is helpful to you. Wish you a good day. Thank you.